Here we go again, the Good Wine Project from Bangkok. Today we are together with Roberta Gorgo in this beautiful room full of these incredible barrels. Inside this barrel, sleep until it's ready, this amazing wine. This is probably one of the most famous wine and that everybody knows, because everybody knows what the name Ripasso. But what does it mean, Ripasso?
Correct. It's nice to better understand what we are drinking today. Valpolicella Ripasso is made of two different words. Valpolicella is about the area where the grapes are cultivated. Ripasso is the technique, how we make the wine. Ripasso in Italian means, as we can say, doing for the second time, right? What we do twice, the fermentation.
Pass through twice.
Yeah, correct, even better. It means we produce the regular classic Valpolicella, and then, thanks to the contact with the dry skins used to produce an Amarone, we let possible starting the second fermentation.
I see.
Because of the natural sugars that are inside the dry grapes, we can certainly let the wine evolve in a special way that change totally the character of the original wine.
I don't know why, but sometimes people that think that Ripasso is the cheaper brother of Amarone. I think that is his own personality. But can you explain me, can we explain Amarone and Ripasso? What is this brotherhood difference between the two?
Yeah, two different concepts and reason of enjoying the wines. This is a very more versatile and very much more fancy way to enjoy a wine every day. This is for special events, as well as you deserve for yourself. This is a wine not only for meditation, as Amarone is, but is a wine to be paired
Don't
with
meditate
food.
too much.
Drink
wine instead
the
of
insider
meditate.
tip.
Drink less, drink better. Don't forget our motto.
This is a great claim. The point is, enjoy ripeness, richness, fruit, a hint of cinnamon, a nice...
Cinnamon is the spice
spicy.
that is very Asian, so you can recognize in this wine.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
So, is smooth, is round, is long, but never cover the taste of the dish, and is never too much. We work always with a little finesse, the elegant, and the approach is sophisticated, but still very pleasant and
So
enjoyable.
meat, food with a little bit of fat, so it's clean up.
This is the point.
Thank you so much, Roberta. Lovely, this incredible red wine. Ripasso from Gorgo. This is the Good Wine Project from Thailand. Don't forget to check below where to find our wine in Thailand. So, Sawadee Krap.